I want you to post that one.
Huh?
Post all of them. Okay. Look how white.
Like my vagina. My vagina's white, you didn't know that? Can you pass the popcorn, Dora?
That's disgusting.
Your vagina's disgusting.
No, have you seen yours lately? It's like a big party in there.
You know.
Hey, I want you to put that one up too.
I was like, you're black.
No, I see my purse. And I
Of
see
your
Dora's purse. And I see my butt. And I see my cousin, her legs, and I see her purse.
Okay. Can you please pass the popcorn?
Pause. What you about to say? Pause.
Okay.
Damn! Oh my god. Stefana? Bye. Shut up.
Shanna likes popcorn very much. We're gonna bring it. Okay. From the first.
Can I have some popcorn?
No. Real popcorn from Slaska. Only popcorn from China. Said no popcorn from Slaska.
Then how come I just got some?
Because you're a Cody head. Dora, stop videotaping me. You're making me feel insecure. No.
We should have a contest who could eat the most popcorn the most time.
Oh.
And just have like a glass of water. Hey! What's my popcorn?
That's not silent because you lost the contest speech.
How?
You're eating loud.
What does that have to do with anything? Okay. Bye guys.